Hello, retail traders. This is Washboardjim with a sneaky snake trading strategy, and we got an earnings on this stock that I'm kind of watching. I'm thinking about taking a trade. I did a pre-recorded earning on this earnings last week, so if you ever feel like watching my weekly earnings watch list or my weekly watch list, please take time out on Sunday to watch it. I go over them, I go back and look at them and see how close I was and if I was wrong or right to try to help myself get a little bit better. So this is a pre-recording. We're just going to go ahead and do AVO. It's path.
Around 13.
There it goes.
We'll go ahead and put my so I guess it's going to be all about earning. Looks like it had a pretty good right around 1334, so I'll be watching that on the daily.
That's path.
AEO, American Eagle Outfitters, looks like it had a pretty good pullback. We got a head and shoulders, we got a snake. So I guess it's going to be all about earnings. They were bad last time. We had a sell-off. So resistance is going to be the 50. Actually, probably the 200. We'll go ahead and put my resistance line there. And support's going to be off the top of the body of this candle right here. And I'll set an alert right there at the mark at below. Then we got CRM next. So that's 18.
So AVO, we broke my resistance level on AVO. I had 20 bucks, 20 something on that. We didn't come back and hit the support level. So we're definitely at a double top with a higher high. Now we broke out with 3 crows here, or 3 soldiers. So let's go ahead and bring this to the daily. And that's the 200 EMA. So if this thing breaks out, it'll run up to 2154 for a resistance level and hit that 200. And then you've got this here, looks to me like a head and shoulders right here. And it could be a higher high all the way up to 24 bucks. So let's go ahead and draw these 2 price lines in here. I kind of like this chart. It's had a little bounce already. Come on, you ding bong. $24. That's a $4 bounce. And then you got a top right at 22.68. Then you got a head and shoulders right at 22.48. So those are the 4 resistance levels. The 200, if we break the 200 EMA, it'll hit the 200 SMA and stop. That'll be a double top out of this snake. This is a fallen wedge. So that's bullish. That's a fallen wedge. That's bullish. So it's got to break the 200 EMA, then the 200 SMA, and then the resistance channel up here with a shoulder line and the double top. And that's a gap. So that's a pretty hard resistance. And if it does break that resistance, 24 bucks. Support, we're going to keep it down here. In case it does react differently to the earnings, it can come back and hit 1868 and be a solid support on the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders. So let's keep a good eye on it. I don't think I'm going to trade it, swing it. But it's definitely American Eagle Outfitters. I'm not much on apparel. It is Christmas season. Black Friday, companies had strong sales, and Cyber Monday was strong, Cyber Monday. So definitely 2150, and then the channel of resistance to hold at 2250 and 2275, with a solid support at 1868. That's AEO, American Outfitters. Boing. This is Washboard Jim with a sneaky snake trading strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and pretty women.